Today we're going to bring a basketball court for indoors. This is perfect for kids. Comes with 3 balls that you need to inflate. They include the actual pump, the net, a reset controller, the batteries, and the actual mount. Now, first, before you get it, it's not assembled properly, so you have to assemble the whole thing. Take out the actual plastic. Instructions in here if you need to follow up. The shot clock and the score is going to be in the center. This could be hanging on your door, so we're going to take a look at it and see how it works. So we got the controller here. We can always set it to 0, 0. You guys can see that. The basketball court has an off and on button, a reset button, so you can actually reset the timer. If you dunk it, it has a sensor right here. That's 1 point, if you guys see. 2 points, 3 points. And then also, you can always reset it. There's a reset button here.
So this is a mini basketball hoop, and it comes with 3 balls. It comes with 1 pump, so you could pump it up. You could just dunk. It doesn't matter about the size. You could either shoot on rainy days. I play it inside on rainy days, and it's fun and it keeps me entertained. And sometimes you could play outside when it's nice and sunny. And sometimes when you're going to a friend's house, you could bring it and put it on their door. Put it on one of their doors in the house, and you could play with them. And if you have 3 friends, 1 ball for each of them and 1 for you.
Reject it!